Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God.
Hi guys, Merry Christmas to you all. So this is our first video for December. We are going to be making chocolate chip cookies, but today we are using white chocolate instead of the dark chocolate. We already have a recipe on the channel where we use dark chocolate chips, which I've linked in the description box below. You can check out. So these are ingredients we are using. We have some baking soda, salt, which is powdered salt, butter here 250 grams, our vanilla essence for flavor, our sugar which is 220 grams. We also have the same amount here, 220 grams, and then all-purpose flour here which is 330 grams, and we have 2 eggs. We also have white chocolate chips, and then our bowl, our spatula, excess flour if needed, and that's about it.
Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe.
So I've placed the butter inside the bowl. You can see it's at room temperature. It's very soft and very movable. So we are going to start adding in the sugars. This is the brown sugar, and then this is the white sugar. I'm going to mix them together until it's well incorporated. So this is it. After all the mixing, we are going to add in the eggs. We are going to incorporate this as well until everything is well mixed. And this is how it looks like. Very fluffy, lightweight and everything. We are going to add in the flour, the salt, and the baking soda. Then we mix everything. It's still soft, you can see it sticks to my hand, and we don't want it that. We want to be able to roll it in our hands like we did for the first video. You can check that out to understand what I'm trying to explain. So we are going to mix it. So this is our cookie dough. We are going to add in the flavoring, which is about 1 tablespoon, and then we are going to pour in our chocolates. that's enough. This is plumbed up, so we have to spread it. And then pour in the others. This is about 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Let me wash my hand and let's continue. So this is it. I'm going to mix everything together, and then we are going to scoop it into balls and place them here. In the first video we made for this particular kind of cookie, we realized that we froze the cookie after creating it into balls like this for 1 hour before the baking was done. So that is what we are going to do for this one also. We'll continue after all the rolling into balls is done. For more gist on that, check out the other video we made, which is on the channel, in my pastries, fried foods and more playlist. These are the cookies after placing it in the fridge for 1 hour. You can see how firm it is. So what we are going to do is that we are going to slightly roll them in a very fast motion, because I don't want it to get so soft before I place it into the oven. And these are the cookies. You can see they are baked perfectly. Take a look at this. So we are going to break into it to show you how it looks like. This is it. And this is it on the inside. It's still a bit hot.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.